Hey guys, so right now, I actually just woke up about an hour ago. I started editing my vlog once I woke up. Right here, if you guys can see that. And yes, so just finished it. After this, I'm gonna start walking around Itaewon, seeing some good places to eat because I'm super hungry, and hopefully we'll see what's good around Itaewon. Right now, I'm actually going to go get something to eat, hopefully in a little bit. Travel around Itaewon, see what's good, and if I have time, I could go around Seoul, check it out, and then at the end of the day, I'm actually going to fly my drone, which is in my bag right now, and we might be able to get some cool drone shots, so yeah. So this is the streets of South Korea right now, and it is super cold. Alright, so I just got some cool B-roll. It's super cold right now. I have no gloves. I need some gloves. And yeah, we're here at the Brick House. I'm gonna get some pizza because it's pretty close and I don't want to walk a bunch of times. But over here, there's a bunch of people just waiting at this line for this place. I don't know what's going on over there, but there's so many people over there. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, there's just a bunch of people right there. It's crazy. And there's also a bunch of people back there as well. I don't know what's going on. Okay, never mind. Apparently all the food shops here are only open after 10:30, 11, or 12. I'm starving right now. I don't want to go to the pancake place. Although it's really good, it's like twice as far from here. So, oh well, we'll just have to go to it, I guess, or else I'm gonna be starving for the next hour. Okay, so it's 11 right now, and I found this place. It's a bar, but you know, I'm hella hungry right now. So this is what we're getting. This is where we're going. Going here because I'm extremely hungry. There's American brunch and omelets and pizza, burgers. So let's go. No Korean food yet. I'm gonna try to get that tomorrow or this afternoon. Oh, it opens. It's weird. So this place is a bit expensive for my taste. $7 for a hot dog, so I don't think I'm gonna eat here. Okay, so I just took a taxi and like for 20 minutes I've been trying to find one. There's been loss in communications because apparently Google Translate doesn't work properly here either. So right now I am lost. I'm in a place where I shouldn't be, basically, and yeah, we're gonna go back over here where we came from, but it wasn't that far, so we're not that lost. But I'm back to finding another taxi, and hopefully I can just show them the street name, and then we'll try to go from there. All right, we are here, and I can finally get to eat. It only took me about 2 hours to figure where to go, so we're finally here. I'm just ready to eat some good food, so let's go. So when you're in Korea and you're in like small areas, Google Maps kind of suck. Okay, so we just ordered some good food here. It's gonna be good. It's a bit expensive, but after this, I'm just trying to get some good food to eat in my stomach. You know, yesterday plain food was not the best. My mouth's watering right now, so we're gonna get some good food. Let me see if I can get some B-roll around the food when it actually comes. You guys saw that food. That was awesome. That looks really cool. So I'm gonna get some food right here. I'm gonna do some magic to it. And that was actually pretty good. We have a few potatoes left. I'm literally so full. It was pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with that. I guess it was worth the 2 hours of finding this area. Oh. Look this way. Oh no, it's not.
싫어.
Oh.
그거 할 거야?
He's just looking at me.
Hey, he's just like Cameron. I'm like superstar now.
Yeah.
He's kind of superstar here. Or-
Okay guys, so right now I'm on the rooftop and I am going to get some drone footage, which is really cool because usually you don't really get that many chances to be on a rooftop. So here's the view from here. It's pretty cool. Very nice view actually. It's very unique. It's a bit cloudy today, but that'll work in my favor because the exposure level won't be so hard to bring down. Usually if the sun's out, it's going to be really hard to get the exposure right unless you have really good ND filters for your drone. But yeah, I think this will work. So in a few minutes or moments or however long I'm gonna get my drone up here, we're gonna be flying it. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get some cool footage. Hopefully I can make it look buttery smooth in this vlog in 1, 2. Alright, so that was pretty fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little thing I put together, you know. Drop a like if you did. And currently it's almost 4 right now. I'm not really hungry, so I'm gonna wait a little bit longer until I go out to eat again. But we'll see what we can eat for, I guess, dinner. So we'll have to see.